Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Sarcosaurus. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sarcosuchus, we are going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and we're just going to start by making a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back, like a wavy check mark. Then we're just going to draw a little curved line in here for the eye. Next, we're going to make a couple little curved lines underneath here. And then we're just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and down above the eye. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then down, just to kind of show where the other eye would be on the other side of the head. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to curve up and then down. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up like this. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go up and down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go out like here. Then we're going to bring this back, and we're going to bring it up to about here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up. Then we're going to draw a long line that's going to come down and then up to here. Now, starting right in here under the jaw, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up to kind of form that neck area. Now, starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve down a little bit. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come back down for the body. Starting here, we're going to curve this line down, and then we're going to bring it all the way back down here towards the bottom of our paper. Next, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it to about here. And then we're going to start over here, and we're going to curve it back towards the body. You can see we made it a little bit skinnier up here, and then a little bit wider over here, just to show where that bend is. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then come back up a little bit more for the neck. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to bring it back like this at an angle. We're going to make one little point right here for a little toe. Another one here. And then one more right here. Real simple. And then we're going to bring it back up. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then we're going to curve it around. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back here. Another little curved line here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and back, and then one more here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and we're going to curve back. And then we're going to curve this line up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to about here for the stomach. Over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go over, kind of like an L shape. And we're going to make it curve up. Make one more that goes over, and then we're going to curve it up here. Draw a little curved line here, and a little line's going to come up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to curve it down like this. We're going to make it look like it's kind of walking a little bit. So we're going to bring this line up, and then we're going to put another one that's going to go up and down, and we're going to bring it up here. We'll add another little line, and then one that's going to go over and then up here. Now, here's our basic drawing of our Sarcosuchus, and now we just need to come in here and add some of the different details. So first thing I'm going to do is just draw a little curved line right here, and we're going to put a couple more. Starting up here, we're going to add a little line that's going to curve down, and then I'm going to add a couple little lines right around it to show where the nose would be. Make a long broken line over here. And then right here, we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down here for the tongue. Now we're going to put a lot of teeth in here. We're going to put some big sharp teeth on the top. And then we're going to put some sharp teeth on the bottom as well. So we're going to start up with them right here, a little bit smaller towards the front, and then we're going to put some bigger ones over here too. Make a long broken line right here, and a couple more little broken lines right around the mouth and the nose. We're going to add a couple little extra curved lines right around the front and back legs. And I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right here onto the toes, just to show where the claws are. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make some long, kind of broken lines that start at the top of our Sarcosuchus, and they're just going to come down like this, just to show that he's got a lot of really big scale patterns on here. And then we're going to do these all the way along the tail, kind of switching directions and bringing them all the way along here. And we're going to add some long broken lines coming down. Going to add some more coming along here, and then another row right there. We're going to add some quick little lines right here, and then a few more right over here with a few extra broken lines. Then I'm going to add a couple more right over here by the mouth. I'm going to make a longer line right here, and then right along the stomach I'm going to put some of these lines a little closer together. We'll do it right along the tail too. And we're going to make some long lines down here. I'm going to keep these a little bit closer together, and I'm kind of curving these lines up just to make a little bit different scale pattern down there. Then you can just kind of finish it off with a couple little extra lines right around the legs and everything for a little bit of detail. Now, right along the back, I'm going to add some small little bumps, nothing too big, but just something that just kind of shows that there's a little bit of scaly texture along the back. And then as I get towards the tail, that's when the spikes are really going to start to get bigger. So I'm going to put some bigger spikes right along the back of the tail here. Just like that. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Sarcosuchus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.